Hey everyone, it's me Kaizo, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up GPT-SoVITS in your system. So GPT-SoVITS is an advanced AI model that runs locally on your system and can generate you very realistic speech from text. This can include different genres of speech like movies, movie characters, show characters, or any anime characters. So let me show you a demo. So in this demo, I'm going to take this character's voice. This is March 7th from Honkai Star Rail, the game, if you played it.
I came up with my name.
This is the audio sample. For cloning the audio, you're going to need two things: an audio sample, preferably within 3 to 10 seconds, and a transcription of that audio sample. You can also not provide a transcription, but I would say provide a transcription. It would generate better results, and an inference text, which we will generate a speech for. So I added this inference text. So hey viewers, I hope you are having a wonderful day, and let's see the result.
Hey viewers, I hope you all are having a wonderful day.
I would say this is pretty damn accurate to this.
I came up with my name.
Well, obviously it's not going to be 100%, but yeah, it's pretty damn accurate. So with that, let's get started. Before starting, let's understand how this thing actually works. So this architecture is made from two different sections using a generative pre-trained transformer and a soft voice imitation TTS called SoVITS. So first, there are two parts: the text input and the audio sample. These two are first inputted into the GPT, which analyzes the text and finds the linguistic structure and the context from the text and determines the tone, emotion, and the other characteristics of the speech. And then with these things, it creates a semantic prediction map, which is then passed to the SoVITS model, which by using that emotion map, it synthesizes audio which is similar to the reference audio we provide, in the end giving us the audio output we desire. So why this actually matters? Because like traditional TTS systems are like only uses the audio synthesis, so it's more robotic and doesn't have emotional capabilities for understanding from the text. So because of GPT, it improves how the text is interpreted, while the SoVITS ensures the natural language output is maintained. Okay, now that we understand how this architecture works, we can now move ahead to the next. Okay, so let's begin. So first, head to the GPT-SoVITS GitHub. Then now you have two main ways of downloading. So the first way is the lazy approach. You can just click this download integrated package and it would start downloading, but that's a lazy way. And the second way is a programmer way, doing it manually through Git. So it's your choice which you're gonna follow. For those who are downloading through integrated package, I will show a timestamp in the screen. Just skip to there and follow along. And for those who are using a programmer way, just follow along the video. So first of all, you are gonna be needing Python 3.11 as like the tested environments which we have used here as Python 3.11. So you will gonna be requiring Python 3.11, Python 3.10, or Python 3.9. So I will say just use 3.11. And another tip: if you have a NVIDIA graphics card, make sure to download CUDA also from the NVIDIA CUDA toolkit website. I will show it also how you can download from there. And why do we need CUDA here? So CUDA is NVIDIA's parallel computing platform that allows us to run these deep learning models locally on a graphics card instead of our CPU. So like, because we use CUDA to make the inference process much faster, because like if we run this in a CPU, it's gonna be much slower. So it's better to use to run it on our GPU. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, just install CUDA from the version of the CUDA they use. So in this case it's 12.8. So I've already installed CUDA 12.8, so I'm not going to install again. But if you don't have an NVIDIA graphics card, you can still follow along, but I will say it's the process when you're running on a CPU, it's going to be much slower. So head to check the version CUDA 12.8, go to CUDA 12.8. Make sure to check if the CUDA version is supported on your GPU. If it's not supported, it's not gonna work. So just head here, CUDA toolkit, select your operating system. In this case, mine is Windows. So I'm gonna select Windows, then select architecture, your version, then exe as a local system, and press download. I've already downloaded this, so I'm not gonna download again. I will not show how to download Python 3.11 as like I've already made a video on how you can install Python. You can just watch it, or there are many more tutorials in the internet. You can watch that. So after downloading CUDA, you can move ahead. So after you have installed CUDA, like CUDA exe, just run that and install CUDA on your system. After that, head to any IDE you're using. In this case, I'm using Visual Studio Code, and create a new Python environment. So in this Visual Studio Code, I'm going to create a new environment. Use Python 3.11. After the environment is created, open the terminal, and in terminal, use git to clone the repo. So make sure you have git installed in your system for it to work. Git clone, then the link of the repo, enter. it will start cloning. After the cloning is done, it's time to install libraries. So let's first change your directory to GPT-SoVITS as a requirement.txt is there. So change directory GPT-SoVITS. So before you run the requirements.txt, first download this is optional, but you can first download UV. So what is UV? So UV is also a package manager for Python, but UV is written in Rust. So this is way faster than a normal pip. So we are going to be using UV to download like the other packages. First, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card and you install CUDA, so first you're going to be installing PyTorch. So just run UV, then the command, so pip install torch 2.7.0 as make sure like the torch version like matches the version mentioned in the like documentation 2.7.0, and give the index URL to PyTorch with the CUDA versions. As I'm using CUDA 12.8, so the link should be CU128. It can be different for you, so just check. So after that, just install, press enter. It will start installing. It will take some time, so just wait. So after the torch libraries are installed, we are going to be running the requirements.txt. so uv pip install -r requirements.txt. It will start the installing of the packages. As you can see, like UV is much faster than pip. It's just optional. You can just use UV to download it. Just wait for like all the libraries to be installed, then we can move ahead. So after all the libraries are done installing, you are also going to require FFmpeg. So FFmpeg is going to help you with audio processing tasks like encoding and decoding the audio. So we are going to download it first. So just head to the GPT-SoVITS repository. Just go down and you can find these two. So these two exes, just download them and place in the base folder of GPT-SoVITS. Just click on this and press download. The download should begin. Just go back and do it for the other one also. After the download is done, we are gonna paste it in the base location. After the download is done, go to your download location, just cut those and then paste it in the GPT-SoVITS folder. So after that is done, now we can move ahead on installing the models for GPT-SoVITS. First, head to the GPT-SoVITS GitHub repository, then go down until you find GPT-SoVITS models. GPT-SoVITS models, here, just click on this link. It will redirect to the Hugging Face website where you can download the SoVIT models from. Head to the files and versions, and we are gonna clone this all these models from here. So click on these three dots, clone repository, then select git clone. So you're gonna be using git to clone this repo, and just head to your Visual Studio Code and in terminal, first change it to GPT-SoVITS folder. In GPT-SoVITS, there's another GPT_SoVITS. Change the directory to this. So change directory GPT_SoVITS. In here, we are gonna be cloning this models in this folder, pre-trained models. Make sure the pre-trained models folder is gonna be empty. If there's a like any file like .git ignore file, just delete it. So we are gonna be cloning it here. Git clone. Just paste the command and give the name of this folder. So I'm just gonna copy the folder name, come here, add a space, then right click and then just press enter. It will start cloning the folder files from here to directly to this place, the pre-trained models. So just wait for some time until like the cloning is done.
One eternity later.
After the cloning is done, you can see all the folders are here. Make sure they are in like individual positions, not in a folder name like models. Should be under like pre-trained models, and all the files should be here. After that, we are gonna, all is done. Now we can run the script and check how it works. So first, move one directory below. So in the GPT-SoVITS, like outside the GPT_SoVITS. So just write cd ... This is gonna move you one directory above. So now we're here. So it's time to run it. For those who have used like the package manager or like the download package installer to download this, just locate this thing in the GPT-SoVITS folder, go webui.bat, just select it and edit. So edit in notepad, just locate this line where it says zh_cn. So this is a language of the app it's going to be showing. At this current moment it's Chinese, so just remove this and just save. After that, you can just double click to run this and your like the project should run. If we didn't change that, your app is going to be showing in Chinese then. So this is for those who have used like the package manager to download it like directly. Now as for us programmers who have used like Git to download, follow these steps. So first, in your terminal, write python webui.py, press enter, and it should start the process. It would take some time for all the models to get initialized first. So the first time you're gonna run, it would take some like a few minutes, but afterwards like it will be like much faster than like normal time. So just wait. This part will generally take the longest, as like it's initializing all the models. After it finally launches, you will see this kind of web UI. So what you need to do is go to the second tab, one GPT-SoVITS TTS, and you will be able to find your GPU information. Like if you install CUDA, it will show you like your graphics card. If not, it will only show CPU. So here, go to IC inference, and here first select the model and the train. These are the trained models that we just downloaded. So for example, this example, I'm gonna be using V2 Pro. So just go to here. You can change the models from here. So I'm gonna use a Pro Plus model, and then just open TTS inference. This will open a inference like web UI. This will take like a few minutes, and it will open a new tab in a new inference web UI. Okay, after it successfully opens this new window, now it's time to demonstrate. So to clone audio, so first you need to input audio. So I'm gonna upload. I'm gonna be uploading this voice line. So make sure it's within like 3 to 10 seconds.
I came up with my name,
So this is the audio I'm using, and for reference audio, like text for reference, I'm gonna add the text. After adding the text, you need to change this inference text for the language you're gonna be using. I'm gonna show you like the inference text in English, so I'm gonna change it to English. And this for reference audio, for you can add multiple references. So if you add more like audio like of same tone and same pitch, we can get more better results. But in this case, I'm not gonna add any more reference audio. I'm gonna just show you with this one. So just select English, then write the text you want the speech for. So like, okay, then after you add the text, just press start inference and it will start. The first time it will start the inference, it will take some time to process, but the second and like the other inferences will be more faster. It generated. So let's see the result.
Hey, viewers, hope you all are doing well.
Well, you can do it multiple times. So do another inference. It created another one.
Hey, viewers, hope you all are doing well.
I will say it's pretty damn accurate. So that's it. You have successfully cloned a realistic voice using like GPT-SoVITS. And that's it. You now know how you can clone realistic voices on your own using GPT-SoVITS. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can access GPT-SoVITS to Python scripts, so you can integrate this in your projects also. Like if you are working on any voice assistant, you can use this. So I guess I'm going to see you in the next video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. It really helps me grow and keep creating new videos for you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.